Hi everybody and welcome to Akshata's Recipes. Today's recipe is Malvani rice. Sometimes you have some leftover rice. So this is a very easy way of using the rice and making it into a delicious dish. You can also prepare some rice especially for this dish. Now what I like to do is, if I'm using basmati, then I like to parboil it and drain out all the water in a colander and keep the rice aside by putting a little bit of clarified butter or ghee on the top and leaving it aside to cool for 5 to 10 minutes and then using it. Or you can use leftover rice. The only thing is the rice has to be at room temperature or it has to be cool. It doesn't have to be very hot, when you don't get that consistency of the rice. So the grains of the rice have to be separated and they have to be at room temperature. Even if you keep it in the fridge also, it's fine, because the consistency has to be different. Now here I'm using Malvani masala. Now this is one of my husband's colleagues in office. His wife makes these masalas and it is extremely delicious. So I used a little bit of this Malvani masala. Now this is available in general stores too, or even if you go to these special masala shops where they sell all kinds of masalas, you definitely will get your hands on this Malvani masala. Well, if I get the recipe, I will show you how to make this Malvani masala powder. I will ask my husband's colleague's wife whether she can share her recipe with me and I can show it to you. So I hope you like this short and sweet recipe. It's an ideal tiffin item also, or if you just want to have something light and you don't want to really go into cooking, this is just a very quick one pot meal and it's really delicious. So I hope you like this recipe. Do share your comments in the comment box below. Don't forget to give it a big like. And I have touched 200 episodes. So please go and check out all my recipes. And if you like this channel, please do stick around by subscribing to my channel. And once you have subscribed, do not forget to click the bell icon so that every time Akshata's Recipes comes up with a new recipe or a vlog, you'll be the first one to know. So friends, let's head on to my kitchen and make this amazing instant Malvani rice. Okay friends, to make this Malvani rice, we're going to heat about 1.5 tablespoons of regular cooking oil in a pan. Here are some raw peanuts. I've taken about 1/4 of a cup. You can take as per your choice, or you can totally drop off the peanuts if you don't like peanuts. Now we're going to fry these peanuts till they turn a nice golden brown. This really adds an amazing flavor to the Malvani rice. So we're going to fry them for about half a minute. Since the oil is nice and hot, they brown up very fast. Remember to cook on a low to medium flame, never cook on a high flame. So now the peanuts are almost a light brown. And so we're going to take them out and keep them aside. Now in the same oil, we are going to use our normal fodni sahitya, or the stuff that we use in our normal Indian cooking. So there goes in 1/2 teaspoon of mustard seeds or mohri or rye, followed by 1/2 teaspoon of cumin seeds or jeera. Then goes in 1/2 teaspoon of hing or asafoetida, followed by 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric powder or haldi powder. Now I've taken about 2 dried red chilies and 1 green chili slit into 2, a light green chili, followed by some curry leaves. We're going to give all of this a nice mix and a nice fry till the chilies are nice and fried. Now to this I am going to be adding the rice. Like I said in the introduction, either you have some leftover rice, or like here I've prepared some fresh rice, parboiled some basmati rice, but let it cool down for about 15 to 20 minutes completely, so that all the grains are separated. And I've also put a little bit of clarified butter and ghee, just half a teaspoon, just sprinkled it all over the rice. Now we're going to give this a good mix so that the rice is completely coated with our fodni or the bagar. Now once this is completely mixed well, we're going to add our fried peanuts. Now this goes in the Malvani masala as per your taste, whether you like it very spicy or you like it mild, and some salt for seasoning. Now we're going to give all of this a nice mix so that the Malvani masala coats all the grains of rice well. This is an extremely delicious dish. You can serve this with some fried papad, roasted papad, some raita, or even some salad at the side, like some chopped up cucumbers, tomatoes, and some pickle also. Now we're going to cover this and we're going to cook it for about 2 to 3 minutes. Stirring in between once or twice. This helps to get everything well incorporated together. Now we're going to garnish it with some freshly chopped coriander or cilantro leaves. Again, give it a mix. And now we're going to turn off the flame and we're going to squeeze some lovely lemon juice. So this is a very tangy, spicy, and just extremely delicious rice. So there goes in some freshly squeezed lemon. You can add the lemon or you can drop the lemon, again depending upon your liking. And again give it a nice mix so everything gets well mixed and everything is well coated, and our Malvani rice is all ready to serve. I hope you like this short and sweet recipe. Thanks for watching, guys. See you soon in another video. Take care. Well friends, don't forget to give this video a big like by clicking on the thumbs up button if you like this video. Please do subscribe to my channel and join the Akshata's Recipe family by clicking the red subscribe button. Once you have subscribed, do click on the bell icon so every time I upload a new recipe or a vlog, you will get a notification and you can watch the video. Do visit Akshata's Recipes for more than 200 recipes and lots of vlogs where I share my recipes and some of my vlogs and videos with all of you. And I would love to thank each and every one of you from the bottom of my heart for taking the time out to watch my recipes. Thank you guys. Take care. God bless.